Hey there, it's Rick Mazick at Network Funding, where we're providing residential mortgages to folks in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and South Carolina for both purchase and refinance here in the newly refurbished office. And wanted to talk to you today. Over the last few weeks, I've talked about folks who currently own a home but don't want to sell that and buy something else because they may have refinanced into the threes, don't want to go to a higher rate. I've spoken about renters who are waiting for rates to come down before they buy a house and how they're actually paying for their landlord's mortgage. And a conversation I had with a pre-approved borrower yesterday made me realize there's one more category that I can talk about when it comes to waiting for rates to come down, and that's folks that are still living at home. They're living with their parents. And if that's the case and you're waiting for rates to come down, let me tell you why that's a mistake. Right now, inventory is low. There aren't a lot of houses for sale, and it's not expected to change very much over the foreseeable future. So as a result of that, we have an issue of supply and demand. There isn't a huge supply. The demand is great. So the values or the prices of these homes is higher. Well, if you're waiting for rates to come down, when they do come down, supply and demand is going to get taxed even more. What I mean by that is supply won't increase. If it does, it won't be by very much. The demand will be greater because so many people are going to get back into the market when rates come back down, and you're just going to be in the mix of all those people bidding on the houses that are available. And if you think it's a struggle now where you're bidding on houses and there are as much as you, but at the end of the day, if and when rates do come down as it's projected to happen sometime in the coming year, this is still going to be an issue. Prices are going to go up because demand's going to be greater. People are going to be bidding on the houses, more people bidding on the houses. But when those prices go up, the value of your home is going to go up as well. And let's say you bought a house with less than 20% down. So you have something called PMI, a private mortgage insurance, on your house. Well, when the value of that house goes up and rates have come down, you're going to be able to refinance to a better payment. And the reason that I say it's a win-win here is because you're going to refinance to a better interest rate, and there's a good chance you may even be able to get rid of the PMI because your value has gone up so much through this price increase that you're going to have 20% equity and can get rid of the PMI as well. And what a great position to be in. So this customer that I was talking to yesterday was being advised by family members not to buy now and to wait for rates to go up, for rates to go down. And in the end, if they follow the plan I just laid out, they're going to end up happy that they did it and kicking themselves if they don't. So in the end, don't wait, buy now. There's never a bad time to buy real estate, but there's so many reasons why you should buy now instead of waiting for rates to come down, no matter if you're a homeowner now, a renter, or living at home with mom and dad. If you want to go over some of this information, put a plan together yourself like I'm doing for this young lady, please reach out. You can send me a message here through this social media platform. Give me a call at 401-651-2716, or just go to lendingbyrick.com, fill out a mortgage application there, and let's get you into a home now so that we can improve your situation when rates do drop. Peace.